Hi, this is Michael Natal from High Tech Trader. Today we're looking at a Supelco little tube furnace for carrier gas purification. It's a 1/2 inch diameter. Opening it up because it is hot. We're running it off a Variac. The Variac does not come with it. Getting some, showing you that it heats. This is a typical tube or setup. Again, this does not come with it, but where you can put your in and your out, and you would lay that down. And you'd use that as your tube heater or carrier gas purifier. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to call 609-518-9100. Thank you from High Tech Trader.